Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I really wanted to see if aloe vera gel could detangle my hair as well as define my curls.
Let the games begin.
So I got this aloe vera gel from the vitamin store to be my test subject for today's video. Pour it all in. It's really chunky, so be heavy with it.
Would you bring me back down when I panic? Could you be my Zanny? Without the liquor, we don't know how to behave. Touch of a finger, and you can make me insane. But when I'm sober, would you love me that way? Cause I'd be lower. Don't want you to be the same. You and I, we could fly so high we'll never die. Promise you won't leave my side. You and I, we can hide. Let's just leave it all behind. Promise you won't leave my side. You and
Baby, I told you, I can be there if you just want somebody to hold you, Tell me come over, I'll be there right away at your door like a Jehovah, But you saw him perfectly perfect, I'll be there to reinstate that you worth it, All of my lessons, I learned them. Now when it comes to my bridges, I burned them. Look, I'm trying to make some amends. I know you got mad when I asked you to bring in some friends. Fuck it, when this quarantine ends, I'm taking you to go shopping in France. I'm taking you to go visit my aunts. If it's underwhelming, just make sure you pretend. You and I, 10 out of 10, can you see what I see? Maybe switch up the lens. I switch up the frame in the picture, cause we're doing everything that you could ever envision. I feel like I bust out of prison every time you said it. I make you happy when I visit. I feel like I'm lost in the system of working every day, but you bring me down and I'm chilling. I can never do you wrong. Let me take you far away. Take my hand if you willing.
So it was a little still damp, so I had to get my blow dryer. And as always, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button.